Hey, okay, so I got the blade out. Here's the body, the handle, I guess you could call it. Got the locking mechanism right here. Got the blade right here. And then you got part of the pin here. So that took me about 25 minutes. It was hard, but I got it out. And so, yeah. And I took that wood off. It was pretty crappy wood, actually. Like, the knife kind of looked nice, but honestly, the materials were ridiculous. So it'll be better when I get through with it. And so yeah. So I'm gonna probably pick my steel and tonight, and then figure out and then trace it and whatever, and then tomorrow hopefully I'll forge it. So I'll be back tomorrow for the forging. Thanks for watching.